guys know what kind of video this is going to be. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, this is going to be yet another hair review, but do not fret. This is not going to be just some regular review, because this is some popping hair and it's affordable, and I feel like I am the messenger of the masses. So the hair I'm wearing right now is from SuperNova Hair Company on AliExpress. I will link their hair store in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out after the video is done. So I have in 3 bundles of their Brazilian body wave in inches 18, 20, 22, along with an 18-inch lace frontal. I released the knots on this frontal. It did come pre-plucked. However, I had to customize this frontal for my own forehead. So when I made the wig, I have a 14-inch front to nape measurement, so I have to make sure that the front to nape measurement when I make my wigs is 14. So when I made this wig in particular, I had to do it so I could make sure I covered my sideburns. But when I did that, the frontal was actually just like laying on my forehead, so I actually had to cut the lace to frame my forehead so it wouldn't be like just a helmet. You know, you can tell when some people wear frontals and it kind of look like hats, because you can see that line and it's laying right there on their forehead. My hairline is like, it starts like right here, so having my frontal all the way right here, it just wasn't right, so I had to cut it, and I think it looks really good. It makes my forehead look a little more realistic. I don't have to worry about being too heartbroken when I take the frontal off and then my forehead, my real forehead emerges, because it's pretty much naturally sitting on my head right now. Now I did use the bulk hold lace cream to apply my frontal, but I did not do the stocking cap method, so I know you guys are like, bitch, you wildin', but it's okay because I do have the remover for the product and I can maneuver it out my edges without having to worry about it. And I only use 2 coats, so I'm not worried about any buildup or scared of it being able or not being able to come out of my hair. So I'll be okay. I will be okay. So like I was saying before, I have in 3 bundles, 18, 20, 22, with an 18-inch lace frontal. I know you guys have seen the previous clips where, you know, I show you guys me bleaching the frontal and I show you guys the actual bundles itself. The bundles, upon me actually opening the package of the hair, they were beautiful, they were soft, and they just looked good. I can run my fingers through it. It didn't have any weird smell. They weren't shedding, and the luster on them was just remarkable. So I made the wig, and I cut a couple layers in the front so I can have these little bouncy front curls, because I realized that I normally don't like cutting my wigs because I get scared and I mess up, and then I don't use the real shears. But my dad loaned me his shears, so I got, you know, I got a little bit of my life right here, because this is, I like this, I like how this looks. But I'm so accustomed to keeping my length that I have to realize, like, hey, the layers accumulate to the style that you want to achieve. So, you know, with that being said, let's get past the styling. So when it comes to the actual hair, I have not been dealing with any type of tangles. Mind you, this wig is glued onto my head, meaning that I am sleeping in it. I sleep with a satin bonnet on my head, so I'm actually enduring the, you know, what is supposed to happen with this hair. Now I don't experience any type of shedding, like I'm running my fingers through it, and literally you see how easy it is for me to run my fingers through this hair, like boom shakalaka. But yes, and I haven't washed it, so like it's really kind of scaring me, like how good this hair feels and how much I'm not encountering any issues for it to be AliExpress hair. But y'all, I mean, I can't make this up. Do you see the luster? Do you see the shine? And I flat ironed this. You guys saw that too, because I have another video coming up with me styling this hair, but I styled my hair with this flat iron. This is a red ceramic styled flat iron, and I used it on 450 degrees. This hair curled beautifully. I curled it after blow drying it to make sure I had a little texture to it, so that it wouldn't have been like straightening it out with a flat iron and then going back and curling it, because I realized that blow dry hair does have more hold than straightened hair when it comes to curling the hair. So I believe this hair holds curls really, really well. I did touch some pieces up, of course. It's been raining where I'm at, so and I've been wearing my bonnet outside to keep my hair protected from the rain. But of course, sometimes you can't defeat humidity. Like, it'll seep through the bonnet and some of my curls drop. But they definitely held a lot better than I would have expected them to. Now mind you, this is only my 2nd day wearing the hair, but this hair is beautiful. Like, literally, like, I've been searching, like, a lot of people have been asking me about my favorite AliExpress hair company, and I know I'm still on the hunt for that specific vendor, because, you know, I've reviewed a lot of AliExpress companies, but as far as like recently, compared to when I was doing a lot of those reviews back in 2014, it's no telling if my opinion is still, you know, cohesive with the current quality of the hair from those vendors. So this hair in particular, I just but this hair in particular has really shocked me, like, for a first initial factor, simply because I'm not dealing with any snagging, napping, matting, tangling, anything on the nape of my neck. Now, other companies I review, and I know that some of the companies, like, they're fine, but it's always just a little snag here and there, you know, nothing too crazy or excessive. But I've been looking for that one company, I don't have to worry about anything. Like, I just run my fingers through it and that boy just goes right through, like, and that's what I'm getting from this hair, and I really like it. Like, I just love the movement, I love the flowiness, I love the shine. And so far, for it to be you know, my first go around with this hair company, I actually have very good things to say about them so far. As far as the bundles, I use a full 22 in the 20-inch bundle, and then I use maybe about maybe 50% of the 18-inch bundle. But I like full hair, so I tried to squeeze as much hair as I could onto my cap. But I say if you're going over inches 18, maybe 3 bundles would be your best bet if you're getting a frontal or a closure. And then if you're getting 18 inches and below, maybe you'll be able to get away with 2 bundles. But this has been my slight synopsis of the SuperNova Brazilian body wave hair that I'm wearing. Again, I will link the info for this hair down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.